Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Private Internet Access, PIA, a VPN service that can help you protect your privacy and security online. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a service that encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in another location. This can help to protect your privacy by hiding your IP address and making it more difficult for websites and other third parties to track your online activity. PIA is one of the most popular VPN services on the market, and for good reason. It offers a wide range of features that can help you protect your privacy and security, including AES-256 encryption, which is the same encryption used by the US government. This means that your data is virtually impossible to hack. A no-logs policy means that a VPN provider does not store any logs of your online activity. This means that they cannot track what you do online, even if they are asked to by law enforcement. They have servers in over 80 countries, which gives you the ability to connect to the internet from anywhere in the world. This can be useful for bypassing geo-blocks, protecting yourself from censorship, and torrenting anonymously. PIA is very affordable, and it even offers a free trial so you can try it out before you buy it. If you're looking for a VPN service that can help you protect your privacy and security online, then PIA is a great option. It's affordable, reliable, and packed with features. I highly recommend it. If you're interested in trying PIA, you can use my link below to sign up and get a 83% discount. Thank you for watching.